Alright guys, what's up? This is Ray Parker and this is my bike check. Well, starting off from the front here, we have the Premium Whiskey 8.25 Rise by 28 width bars in black. Very nice, ride well. The ODI long neck grips, they're awesome. I highly recommend these. With just the regular bar ends on them. The Eastern Choker stem, it's holding up well, I like it. A Cane Creek headset. That's a really good headset. I recommend that. Premium Refuse Resist front tire 20 by 2.25. It's very nice tire. I like these tires for street. The Kinland BM25 front rim attached to a stock Eastern hub. Fit Shift 2 forks, they're awesome. Just got them and I love them. They're great. The Eastern Axis 2010 frame. It's 21, but I'm short, but I like the colors and I'm riding it pretty well. So the Odyssey Aiken pivotal seat attached to a regular Eastern pivotal. The Eastern Nomad cranks, which apparently we're down to pink, but I really like these cranks and they're nice. The Odyssey Twisted PC pedals, my favorite. They hold well and I love them. The Premium Refuse Resist back tire 20 by 2.0 with a Kinland BM25 back rim attached to a Eastern bidirectional, which is very loud, and I like that. I like loud. An Eastern Medusa chain wheel with just a regular Eastern chain to it. I like the Medusa. It's not the good version, but whatever. And this is my bike check. Please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, I'll answer them. Just leave a comment.